Carolina until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Salisbury, or over Granite Quarry, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salisbury, China Grove, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Faith, Gold Hill, High Rock Lake, and Spencer. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus and Bryan.